Ubuntu and Arch Linux serve distinct user needs. Ubuntu emphasizes ease of use, stability, and out of the box functionality, whereas Arch Linux prioritizes user control, minimalism, and a rolling release of the latest software. Ubuntu follows a fixed release cadence with long term support, which is LTS options, making it ideal for environments where predictability and extended maintenance windows are important. In contrast, Arch Linux adopts a rolling release model, continuously delivering updates, so users always have the newest kernel and packages without waiting for major version upgrades. Now let's first start with the philosophy and release model. Ubuntu is designed around stability and user friendliness, releasing a new version every 6 months and offering 5-year LTS releases for enterprises and less experienced users. Arch Linux, guided by the Keep It Simple Stupid, which is KISS principle, gives power users a clean slate to build and configure their systems exactly as they wish, with no pre-installed software beyond the essentials. Now, installation process. Ubuntu features a graphical GUI-based installer, Ubiquiti or Calaveras, that walks users through disk setup, user creation, and software selection in few clicks. Arch Linux uses a command line installation requiring manual partitioning, networking, package selection, and bootloader configuration, ideal for those who want intimate knowledge of every component. Now, let's talk about the package management. Ubuntu leverages apt for .deb packages with integrated support for Snap and Flatpak for sandboxed cross-distro apps. Its curated repositories and PPAs makes it easy to find and install popular software. Arch Linux relies on Pacman for fast, conflict-aware package operations, and the Arch User Repository, which is AUR, a community-driven repository offering thousands of user-contributed packages. Now, customization and performance. Arch's minimal base install means only required components are running, yielding lower RAM and CPU usage.